Hi, this is Kurt at Travers Tool Company. Have you ever wondered what you can use to support a workpiece that's hanging way off the vise if you don't have a jack? I have some drilling and tapping that I need to do out here on the end of this workpiece, but I can't move it out of the vise, so I have to keep it out this far away from it. I don't have any jacks to put under this, and I need something to support it under there. So I have a clamp set that I can make my own jack with. So if you just take the flange nuts, screw one upside down so that the flange is to the outside, put it underneath, tighten it up, and there's my support. Thanks for watching. Tune in again next week for the next episode of Tips, Tricks, and Hacks.